beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. And because so many of you guys asked for it, this is our Xiaomi 12 Lite camera vlog test. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In videos like this, we test out phone camera capabilities in real life vlogging scenarios so you see for yourself just how these cameras perform for your everyday. Now, we all know that the Xiaomi 12 Lite is such a pretty phone, and if you haven't seen it already, check out my unboxing and camera tour. I'll link it up here and down below. And for context, for all the photos and videos you're about to see, this thing is powered by a Snapdragon 778G 5G chip. On the back, it reps a 108 megapixel camera, an 8 megapixel wide, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. And up front, that's a 32 megapixel selfie punch hole. And this is cool. There are dual selfie lights up here. Right, without further ado, let's see what these cameras can do. On to the vlog. Walking and talking, we are shooting with the front-facing cameras of the Xiaomi 12 Lite. So this is 1080p, and well, the front-facing cameras can only shoot 1080p. Let's get to the vlog. Oh, by the way, we had a really nice lunch. Let's look at that first. Walking and talking, you are watching 4K with 1x rear cameras right now. And now this is what steady mode looks like. And well, when you go in steady mode, it reverts to 1080p 30 FPS. The 1080p. Where we sit? Do you want to go here? Here? Oh my god, here. And by the way, guys, this is Nicole, and she does all the content on litwebsite.com, which you should all check out. 1080p 30 FPS. We have wide 1x, and we can zoom up until that juice cart, and this is 6x. Back to wide. 1080p 60 FPS, and it doesn't go to wide, it sort of reverts to 1080p 30. When you try, this is 6x and back to 1x. 4K around this time, and this is 1x up until 6x, and that cart, which we still don't know what they're selling over there. Back to 1x, and back to Nicole. Hi. Just for a work meeting. With drinks. With drinks. .4K 30 FPS. This is 1x, and it zooms up until 6x, and that is a peacock. Back to 1x, 1080p 60 FPS, 6x, back to 1x, 1x, 1080p, 30 FPS. Oh my God! 6x.
Nanay, oh, gumalaw siya, oh.
Back to 1x. No, wide this time because 1080p 30 can do wide. 1080p 60 fps with a front-facing camera. And now we're at 1080p at 30 fps. As you can see, it's doing a lot better. We're out at dinner. This is gonna be a fun night. Let's go get our shots. Lest we forget, there are dual like selfie lights on here. So this is what it looks like, even like walking in the dark. My face is fully illuminated. Perfect for vlogging any time of day. Everyone's going crazy because of the peacock. And that was our camera vlog test featuring the Xiaomi 12 Lite. Do you think these cameras did well? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, I know some of you have commented this, but let me know if you still want to be seeing a social media test using this phone. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.